Hello everyone, welcome to the Alpha Dice. Today we are going to see the functions. So for starting function we have I'm going to say function summate this function the return plus b 2, 3 using texture fun. And so first as you can see this will print the 5. Next we are going to see functions with default value which are is equals to 8, 1 comma is equals to 9 disclosure 8 plus sorry for that 2. So as you can see this array I think so this will pass an error. Now that's it. Next we are going to see the um, function with the list of arguments. So as you can see some of star ARGS. As we are not sure about how many arguments we have, we want so I in ARGS and we're going to get total equals to 0 and so total is equals to I and we're going to just return the total. And we're going to print sum of 3, 5, 2, 35, 4, so here we get the sum of the numbers. Next we are going to see recursion. I do this much. So that's it for today. So in next lecture we are going to see recursion and ambiguous function for the that's it. Thanks.